Now, Harish Salve, former Solicitor General, who joins us tonight, has actually been taking up the case against the Lal Batti culture in the Supreme Court. Obviously, Mr. Salve, you should have also included in your fight before the Supreme Court of India the attempt for the members of Parliament to be walking, talking Lal Battis. I don't know whether Sabir Ali is a walking, talking Lal Batti, but I suspect he also gets special treatment because he wants it. He wants more and more special treatment. Madhukar Jaitley, I am told, of the Samajwadi Party, who has minister rank, advisor to the government of UP in externally aided projects division, also supports the flying Lal Batti culture. I presume Rahul Narvekar, not a member of parliament yet, but he supports the flying Lal Batti culture, which is, so I'm just putting it very categorically tonight. We have three people on the program who support the idea of a member of parliament being a walking, talking Lal Batti. Jitendra Bhargav, who's with me today, he carries a card which has the name of his book, The Descent of Air India. I'm just putting it up out here. Now, he has faced legal cases by who? Praful Patel took him to court for writing things which were not very flattering about his time at Air India. But I suspect he also extended a Lal Batti culture to all the members of parliament when he was the director at Air India. Derek O'Brien says, I take the point of view of the common man. He has a right to say so. We'll have to test how far he'll go in that. And Bejon Mishra, consumer expert. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin. Let's begin with Harish Salve. Mr. Salve, you missed something out. You should have also included, when you fought against Lal Battis, that MPs should be treated like normal Indians when they fly.
Arnab, the point is, we didn't know of any such circular. And we just thought it was the habit of our public sectors, organizations to be kind to those who can create trouble for them in their in their committees in Parliament.
Yeah.
So we thought because of that Air India was doing it, but frankly nobody knew there was a circular of DGCA. And the more fundamental question which we need to ask ourselves as a nation is, on what principle is a perquisite given to a member of Parliament? The word privileges doesn't fit in a democracy, in a republic. There are no privileges. These are perquisites of office. Now, perquisites of office are either given as a part of your pay package,
right,
which this obviously is not. If this is given to facilitate his functioning as a member of Parliament, if something is given as a facility to help you perform better in Parliament, one can understand that. But obviously this has no connection with how he performs in Parliament.
Yeah.
So this then becomes purely because of your status. And that's we are back to the same debate.
Yeah.
That is this an office of status or is this an office to serve the people of India?
Well, it's a state.
And we are back, conceptually, whether it be the Lal Batti, whether it be the ceremonial security, or whether it be all these freebies at airports. This sense of entitlement because you hold a particular office is then a notion of status which doesn't square with the notion of a republic. And I do want to flag one issue, Arnab. I am convinced that there are a large number of members of Parliament who do not enjoy all this, who are simple people, who come, who do their work in Delhi, who use the Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha buses to go to Parliament, who live in ordinary flats. It's a smaller number, I am given to understand, I may be wrong on this, who actually enjoy all this. And they get this branding for the entire political class done like this.
Mr. Salve,
and they are responsible for creating this disconnect.
No, but Mr. Salve, you and I can't take a chance with that. Because there are people like Sabir Ali who want to feel special. Members of Parliament like Sabir Ali.
You're absolutely right.
Arnab, please, I would like to have you don't have my comment without taking my comment. You should not. Arnab, it's very wrong on your part. Arnab, I want to interrupt. Without taking my comment on the total, you have not taken my comment in commenting about me. That's not good.
Well, I presume, Mr. Sabir Ali, that you are for or against it. Don't take an in-between position.
And then you don't have any right.
Do you want to be treated specially? My question to you is, Mr. Sabir Ali, it's so easy to provoke you when I ask a direct question. Are you for or against? Are you for or against these special privileges?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Exactly. You have to listen to me first, and then you have to.
All
comment.
right, don't get so
You have not
agitated.
taken my comment. You are commenting
Don't
on
get
me.
so agitated.
So that's
I
not
know.
correct.
I know that if there were those
I'm
rights,
not
they'll be
exaggerating.
taken away. Don't get
Oh,
so agitated.
Absolutely not, Honor.
Calm down.
Maybe you are the. You maybe. I is not the matter. It is. I'm always come down, but you are not. When you are sitting a chair, you are always hot. That's not correct. You're taking my
Sabir
comment.
Ali,
You
come
don't
on,
have
answer the
right to comment
question.
on me.
Would you say today?
That's not correct.
No, that's all right. Sabir Ali, it's all
I'm
right.
answering.
Yes, answer the question.
Yes, I'm here to comment on.
Answer.
Yeah.
Answer.
See, I'm asking the questions through you. I'm answering. I'm here. If I'm flying by business class, whatever anybody is getting any facility in the business class, I'm entitled to get it.
What facility?
Number one. Number two.
No, 1 second.
Can you answer Arnav?
1 second.
He's
1
the other
minute.
anchor.
Now you
What?
answer my
I'm
question.
coming on it.
Don't get into the
You
speech
just
mode.
give me-
Answer my
No, no.
question. Why
I'm
do you
coming.
want?
No,
Why
no,
do you
no.
want someone to
can't
carry your
dictate.
bag?
So Arnav,
Why do you
cannot
want someone to
dictate.
carry your bag?
You can't dictate.
Why
Arnav,
do you want
can't
someone to
dictate.
carry your bag?
So
Neither
listen,
can you
if you
dictate.
have a
You
debate,
tell me.
then you have
You
to
tell me,
listen.
Mr. Sabir
No,
Ali. You tell me, Mr.
absolutely.
Sabir
Arnav,
Ali.
this is
Why
not
should
good
someone
on
carry
your
your
part.
bag? You are an
No,
able-bodied.
it's not
You
good.
are an
It's
able-bodied
not
man.
good.
Why should someone
So,
carry your
listen to me.
briefcase? Why should someone carry
No,
your briefcase?
Absolutely, Arnav. You are going on the wrong direction.
Why should
You are
someone
sitting
carry
on
your
the chair.
briefcase?
You are the anchor. It's not good.
Why
The way
I
you are
don't teach me?
reacting,
Don't teach me
absolutely not
journalism.
good.
Why
You
should
have to
someone
listen.
carry your
You are
briefcase?
putting the questions.
Why
then
should
you
someone
listen it.
escort you to the
If you are
plane?
putting a question to me, I'll
Why should
answer.
someone treat you
cannot-
differently?
You cannot put the
Why
question
can't you
and
stand in
answer
a
both
line?
together.
Why can't you
Listen,
stand in a line like the rest of the people?
You can't. You
Why
listen
can't
to
you?
me.
Why can't you?
Arnav, you have to listen to me.
No, don't
you
get-
can't do both things. But you can't do a question and answer together.
I am asking you
are
5
putting the
questions. You're getting
question
agitated,
and you are
Mr.
answering
Sabir Ali.
yourself.
Don't get
That's
agitated.
not correct.
Don't get agitated.
No,
Don't get
you
worked
listen
up.
to me first.
You know what I
put
want,
the
Mr.
question
Sabir Ali.
towards
You know
me,
what I
have to
want. I'll
listen
tell
to
you
me.
what I want.
No,
1
no,
second.
no.
Mr. Sabir Ali, I'll tell you what I want. Give me 30 seconds. I'll tell you what I want. 1 second,
No.
Mr. Sabir Ali.
I heard it.
30 seconds.
I heard it.
You know what I
I
want,
heard it,
Mr.
what you
Sabir
said.
Ali.
I
Mr.
heard
Sabir
it.
Ali,
You said
I
you
want.
listen to me.
You listen to me, Mr.
you are
Sabir Ali,
really-
and then you can answer. You
have to
listen to me, Mr. Sabir Ali.
Why
1
I should
second.
listen to
You
you?
listen to me
You
1
put
second,
down
sir.
a question.
You listen
Let
to
me
me for a
answer.
minute, sir.
Let
Don't
me
get
answer.
worked up. You know what I want.
Listen to me.
Mr. Sabir Ali, you know what I want.
That's not
You know
correct
what I
at all.
want, Mr. Sabir
That's
Ali.
not
Now
correct
listen
at
to
all.
me, Mr. Ali.
Hey.
Mr. Ali, you know what I
Hey,
want.
it's
I want only 4
How
things.
that is the correct?
I want only
What
4
you want,
things.
I have to give that only.
I
How is
want.
that correct?
I want only 4 things, Mr. Sabir Ali. First of all, come.
You
4
can't
things.
see. Arnav, you can't dictate the terms.
I want you.
You have to the questions and let me give
Yes,
an answer.
Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali, 1 minute, please.
You can't dictate
Just 1
the
minute,
terms,
please.
Arnav.
So
That's
we'll move
not
on.
correct.
Mr.
You have
Ali,
asked
1
a
minute.
question.
Mr.
Let me answer
Ali.
it. Let me answer it.
Mr. Sabir Ali, 30 seconds of
Let me
your
answer it. I already
time.
put the question to
30 seconds
Let
of
me
your
answer
time, Mr. Ali. You know what I want? Just 30 seconds, Mr. Ali. 30
because you are
seconds.
putting-
No, you know
you are
what,
putting the
Mr.
question,
Ali?
you are giving
You
the
know
answer.
what,
How
Mr.
is
Ali?
correct?
I will take my 30 seconds. My 30 seconds. I want 4 things from you.
You can't dictate the terms.
I want 4 things from you. I
dictate
can't, but the
terms.
people
If
of
you're
India
putting
will
the question,
dictate to you.
at
The
least
people
you
of
should
India
hear
will
it.
dictate to you.
It's
The
not-
people of India want you
Of
to
course.
stand in a
No,
line.
what? See,
The people of India
I'm
want you to
also
go
a
through
citizen.
security like
I'm
they do.
also a voter.
The people of India
Nobody
want you to
will
behave like a
dictate
normal
anybody
person.
else.
The people of
Absolutely
India
not.
want you to
Maybe
carry your briefcase.
India
That's
is
what the
not
people of
only
India
times
want.
now.
Come to
Arnav, India is not only times now. Please listen carefully. Arnav, India is not only times now. We have seen the India. We are going to the people.
Oh,
we are
please.
answerable to the people. We do not you don't require any certificate from the Arnav. Please, I don't require any certificate from the Times now. So you have put in the questions. Let me answer it.
Mr. Ali.
If you are sitting, you let me hear it.
Mr. Ali,
Yeah.
you know, I'll tell you one thing.
You have to listen-
Sometimes I feel, just 1 minute, please. You know, you've spoken,
Oh,
I've
what?
spoken. Sometimes I feel that when a person is on the defensive, he speaks very loudly.
I have not spoken. I have not given the answer because you do not want.
Will
to
you
hear
carry
it.
your briefcase always? Will you
Let me
always
hear
go
it.
stand in a
Let me
line?
give the answer.
Will you always stand in a line? Will you ensure that no 3 people
I do.
walk with you?
Can you listen? I do.
Really?
I do. But if I am flying in the business class, other people are getting the treatment of the business
What
class.
other people?
Free launch.
What,
I
you
should get
travel
it.
business
If
class,
I'm
you can't
traveling
stand in a line.
Economy class.
That's
I'm
rubbish.
traveling as a
When you
normal-
when you
the
travel
people
business
work.
class, you
Why
have to
not?
stand in a line.
I am always there in the line. See, to be.
You don't need to be escorted if you're traveling. You're not a child. You're a fully grown man. You're a fully grown man. You're not a child. Bejon Mishra, what's your response?
I'm not a child. You are a child.
Bejon Mishra to Sabir Ali, please. Bejon Mishra to Sabir Ali.
I think
you should listen, please.
Mr. Sabir Ali, now you had your turn. Bejon Mishra responding to you. Bejon Mishra is responding to you.
You should listen it. Can
Yeah, you see, as a member of parliament, you should have the decency to listen. You should learn to listen more and speak less. You see, you are trying to talk about business class. I am saying, let's make everything very tangible and transparent. Can you MPs demand from all the airlines to sort of build a costing?
I'm asking only 30 seconds.
No, you've got more than 30 seconds. Now you want 30 minutes.
See, you can't.
Bejon Mishra,
Let all the... No, you listen. Why don't you listen?
See.
Why are you not keeping quiet? Just listen for a few minutes.
You put the question, you didn't give me a chance to reply.
You've replied, I've heard you, sir. Please, Bejon Mishra, continue.
You started off. You keep quiet now for a while. You keep quiet for a while. You see, the MPs must understand that
I have not answered it. I'm not talking to other because he put the answer. He didn't take my answer.
Yeah, 1 second, sir. I heard you. Your basic.
You wait for your turn now. You have lost your turn. You have to wait for your turn now. What I want to tell you all is that every facility, every amenity which you are paying, which we are paying for, you know, my ticket is costing 40% more because of you MPs taking these privileges. I could have paid my fare 40% less. Why don't you people calculate the amount of money spent for these amenities which are given free to you people?
So you are mistaking.
I want to understand that tonight. Why don't you demand?
I am not getting the free. I am the citizen who are paying the tax.
Private airlines.
I am paying the tax. I am not taking anybody's.
Oh, for God's sake!
I am paying the tax. I am the taxpayer.
12,000 crores.
Yeah. I want to.
12,000 crores. 12,000 crores you have paid to Air India to bail him out.
No, this is for
Air India is going bankrupt because of these kind of behaviors of the members of the
Jitendra
parliament.
Bhargav.
You have to understand.
Jitendra Bhargav, this freebie culture.
Absolutely not.
I see a strong sense of entitlement. Sabir Ali, calm down. The fact is, now 1 second. I'm going to pepper this with some of the special treatment. According to a 2000 and Sabir Ali, calm down, please. Sabir Ali, calm down, please.
You are fleecing the public.
According to, and let me speak. According to a 2011 protocol stipulating
with economy class ticket people traveling in business class.
Of course they do.
Why shouldn't you pay for it?
Absolutely you should. Now, according to
upgradations being done.
According to a 2011 protocol, let's go to the others. Let's go to the others. Let's go to Derek O'Brien. 1 second. Let's go to Derek O'Brien. Now, I have a 2011 protocol. This is regarding Air India, which says members of parliament should be provided stepwise facilitation, starting from a generation of PNR numbers to departure from airport, takeoff, arrival, etc. One of these things say once on board. This is beautiful, actually. Once on board, the cabin crew will have to identify themselves to the member of parliament and offer them the deep compliments of the captain. Why? Derek O'Brien, you're laughing, but this is true. The compliments of the captain. And it says they have to be given royal treatment till the plane takes off. They should get pre-reserved seats of their choice. Why? No, why? Why, Derek? Why?
The British culture.
Of course. Even the British who don't do this.
Why are you asking me?
Yes, Derek.
Why are you asking me this question?
No, because whether you...
Please don't blame the British.
Because whether you accept it or not, Derek, you may be a very nice man who say, I don't take these particular privileges, I don't like them. But the fact is, somebody there will feel that Derek O'Brien MP is travelling. So when Derek O'Brien MP travels...
So what?
No, 1 second. Derek O'Brien MP travels, they will have to offer you these. The person on duty will be scared that somebody like Sabir Ali will be his boss. And say, why did you not do the things that you were meant to?
See, Arnab, Firstly, before we get to the DGCA, I think you need to make some new regulations on your program for some basic television etiquette. What were you guys doing in the last
Okay,
20 minutes?
continue. Thank you.
Pathetic.
Thank you, continue. I've also seen Trinamool members behave in the assembly.
No,
Continue.
I'm continuing.
Continue.
I'm continuing. Let me give you what example we follow in Trinamool Congress. Forget about Derek O'Brien. There's a lady who was a cabinet minister who still goes in the airline bus. The same lady who was a cabinet minister queues up in security. So Arnav, it's a mindset change. I've seen Mamta Di walks into security in the queue. She goes to the airline bus. She travels in economy class.
Now, don't make this an you're making this an advertisement for the TMC. Let's talk about the issue.
It's a mind. The issue is we cannot have young, able-bodied members of parliament expecting assistants to carry their bags. It's in very bad taste. And I don't think it's fair to generalize all members of parliament paint them with the same brush. In fact, those VIP lounges are also a disgrace. And here, not only members of parliament, what about bureaucrats? What about high members of the judiciary and other honchos? I think it's the entire culture which needs to change. It's a mindset which needs to change.
It's the
and I'm
culture
glad
which
you're
needs
doing
to go.
programs like this.
Agreed.
Because you call it culture, you call it mindset, I don't know. And it has to, it's a very personal thing. You know, you cannot. Listen, we can also talk about cost, but I think it's a mindset. It's a culture. Now, if you want to say, as you said at the top of your program, there's lal batti on your car. You shouldn't have a lal batti on your car. So I've seen so many members of parliament, and sometimes members of parliament sometimes actually have these young boys carrying their bags. However, Arnav, I think for senior citizens, we need to make a distinction, whether they are members of parliament or not. Some people, you need to use those golf carts.
Yeah, agreed.
And need somebody for senior citizens.
Agreed.
बाकी सब नहीं चाहिए.
Agreed.
बकवास.
आपको नहीं चाहिए. No, आपको नहीं चाहिए. साबिर अली को चाहिए. मधुकर जेटली को शायद चाहिए. मधुकर जेटली क्या आपको चाहिए? That when you go to an airport, some airline officials and helpers have to be ready. Some helpers have to be ready at the airport कि साहब आ गए. अब साहब को plane तक ले जाओ. साहब, move with them through the security. Facilitate the entire process, jump the queue, walk ahead of the normal person, who are also Sabir Ali taxpayers, by the way. You are not the only taxpayer in the country. Okay? Everybody is a taxpayer, so don't give me the taxpayer line. Madhukar Jetli, please. Madhukar Jetli is speaking. Madhukar
Jetli. That's why I'm saying you didn't allow me to speak.
Madhukar Jetli hasn't even spoken.
That's not fair.
Madhukar Jetli hasn't even spoken.
You asked me the question and you are coming to the answer. You didn't allow me to speak.
Mr. Sabir Ali, the whole.
First of all,
Madhukar Jetli.
I have not got the treatment what you are talking about.
Madhukar Jetli, by the way, one second. Please, be careful. Madhukar Jetli.
Can I come in now?
You can.